Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my Pamper routine. So first in the shower, I always get my hair soaking wet and then I come in using Monat Advanced Hydrating Shampoo. I have been using Monat strictly for 8 months now and absolutely love it. So what I do first is just kind of emulsify the product in my hand and then just go through my scalp, really kind of get it in there. After I've rinsed it out, I will come back in using the Advanced Hydrating Shampoo again. 2 washes is a must. The first wash just kind of gets rid of the dirt and grime in your hair, and then the second wash goes through and actually like cleans your scalp. I usually let the shampoo sit for about 2 minutes as well, just to kind of get into my scalp. After I rinse it out, I'm gonna come in with our Super Moisture Mask. It's a hair mask and it is loaded with protein and it feels so good on my hair. It literally makes my hair feel like butter. So I'm just gonna come in and start on the scalp a little bit and then just kind of pull it through to the ends, just so then my whole entire head of hair gets all that protein and goodness soaked in. This is just a close-up of me showing you how amazing my hair looks after the moisture mask. Now I'm gonna come in with the Intense Repair Conditioner. I love this conditioner. It has Capixyl in it, so it really helps grow my hair out and it leaves it feeling really soft. It's literally one of my favorite products. I only apply conditioner to the ends of my hair, never my scalp, just because my hair can get pretty oily really quickly. So I just apply it to the ends, let it sit for a little bit, and then rinse it out. After I'm done in the shower, I come in with my Intense Repair treatment. This treatment has Capixyl in it as well, but it has 3 times the amount compared to any of the other Monat products. So I like to spray it kind of on the scalp. After coming in with the Intense Repair treatment, I am going to come in with the Rejuvabeads. This is a split end mender, and it mends any split ends that I have in under a minute. So I like to just kind of pull my hair to either side and just run my fingers through it. This just really helps get all of my hair filled with the Rejuvabeads, and it feels really good. And you only need about 1 or 2 pumps. After that, I'm going to come in and finish with the Rejuvenique Light. This is my favorite product ever. I will never not use it. You can use it on your skin and hair. So I just put 2 drops on my hands and then I just run my fingers through my hair. It really helps keep it soft, shiny, and supple looking and really silky. It also has extremely small molecules, so it actually gets into my hair. Next, my facial routine, I am going to come in with a few of my favorite products. First, I always start by just rinsing my face off with some warm water. Then I'm going to come in with the Clean and Clear Blackout Coffee Scrub. It feels really good on my face. It's just a very gentle scrub. I'm not a big fan of scrubs. As an esthetician, they're really poor for your face. The only reason why I like this one is because the beads are very tiny and my skin feels nice and clean after. Always wash your face for a minute as well. Next, I'm just going to rinse off the Clean and Clear, and then I am going to come in with the Thayers Witch Hazel Toner. Toner is super important. It helps kind of hold everything into your skin and it gets it ready to apply any other product that you have. And I'm just really gently dabbing off my face. I'm using the toner on my hands just because I like using it on my hands, and I'm just slowly pressing it into my skin. Pressing it is just going to help get the product into your skin versus just rubbing it all over your face. Always make sure you apply your product to your neck as well. I love applying it to my neck because your neck is part of your skin and your facial feature. Next, I'm going to come in with my all-time favorite product, the Rejuvenate Oil. I only use about 2 or 3 drops in the morning and at night. And once again, I'm just going to press it into my skin so that my skin can really just soak it up and enjoy all that goodness that it has to offer. After applying the Rejuvenique oil, I am going to come in with Algenist. Algenist has amazing products. I absolutely love them. This is an anti-aging product, and I absolutely love using it. It feels really great on my skin. I like to kind of apply it more towards my neck, just because it is anti-aging, and your neck can age pretty quickly if you don't take care of it. After using that Algenist product, I'm going to be coming in with another one. It's called Elevate. It's a lifting and contouring lotion, or moisturizer, I should say. It really helps make my skin just feel really clean. It kind of has like this nice curly texture / consistency, and it's very light, non-comedogenic. Absolutely love it. And for the final thing that I use, it's the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. It has SPF in it. Every single person on the planet should be using something with SPF. I can't stress that enough. I like to do the tinted moisturizer because it's just a really easy thing to do, and it makes my skin all one even tone, and honestly, I don't really have to wear makeup when I apply it. I do apply it every single day, and I absolutely love this product. And voila, my skin feels glowy, it looks glowy, it feels amazing. I absolutely love every single product that I use. I'm going to put all the products that I use below, and you guys can comment and like. For the final product that I'm using, it's the Rejuvenique. I always put it on my lips. It's a great moisturizer. Thanks, guys.